This is the Bengal Currant plant, also known as Christ thorn and Karonda fruit. You can see the botanical name at the bottom of the screen. The stems have super long and sharp thorns, so be sure and wear protective gear if you are harvesting the fruit. They are really sour tasting, and though the fruit can be eaten raw, it is usually used in cooking and for pickling vegetables. But I'm simply going to share with you how to grow the seeds. You can purchase the seeds online, or better yet, pick them from a local bush. Choose the berries that are deep, dark purple in color. Open up the ripe fruit and pull out the seeds. The bright red juice can stain clothes and plates easily, so be careful. The seeds are a reddish color, similar to the juice. I did not prepare them in any special way. That is, I did not soak them or scarify the seeds. Simply take the seeds and place them in a starter container and cover with a thin layer of soil. To maintain a high humidity level and to maintain soil moisture, you can use a sealable container or simply place them in a bag, though this is optional and not required. Keep the seed containers in indirect light above 75 degrees Fahrenheit, about 24 degrees Celsius. Here's the seeds after 11 days. You will notice that the box on the left has a lot of beautiful sprouts and a high germination rate. The box on the right contains seeds from slightly immature fruit, those that were not totally dark red. The seeds themselves were kind of a yellow color, and they had a much lower success rate, though a few of them have germinated. So if you are using the fresh fruit, you definitely need to wait until the fruit and the seeds are a dark red color. It's been another 10 days, and one of our seedlings is showing its first true leaves. From the 12 seeds that I planted, I've got 5 sprouts. So I'm thinking you should plant about 2 or 3 seeds per starter container. I need to transplant these into deeper pots because I definitely made a mistake by starting them in shallow containers. I can see the roots at the bottom already. I would suggest your starter pots be at least 3 to 4 inches deep, about 8 to 10 centimeters, or even deeper if you prefer. So it was my experience that Bengal currant seeds are pretty easy to germinate and require no special preparation. Please support my channel by leaving a comment, ticking that like button, and of course, subscribing. Happy seed growing and see you next time.